Ever wondered why New York City is called the city that never sleeps, especially in summer? There's a certain magic that blankets the city when the mercury rises. The sun paints the skyscrapers gold, the streets buzz with energy, and the parks become a sea of picnics, games, and laughter. It's a time when the Big Apple truly comes alive, offering an endless array of experiences that are unique and unforgettable. In the summer of 2024, New York City promises to be more vibrant than ever. Whether it's the electrifying concerts, the lush green spaces, the food festivals that are a gastronome's dream, or the iconic landmarks steeped in history, there's something for everyone. And the best part? We've compiled a list of the top 10 things to do that are sure to make your summer in New York City one for the books. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 10 things to do in New York in summer 2024. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Central Park SummerStage. This isn't just a concert, folks. It's a summer-long celebration of music, dance, and theater nestled in the green heart of New York City. Imagine sitting under the stars, the city's skyline around you, as you sway to the rhythm of diverse performances. From contemporary to classic, jazz to hip-hop, ballet to spoken word, the SummerStage is a vibrant showcase of artistry at its best. And the best part? It's all free. Yes, you heard it right. Free performances from world-class artists in one of the world's most iconic parks. It's no wonder the SummerStage has become a cherished part of New York's summer fabric, drawing both locals and tourists alike. So if you're in the city this summer, remember to pack a picnic, grab your friends, and head to Central Park. This free concert series in the heart of the city is not to be missed. At number 9, we have the New York Botanical Garden. This verdant oasis in the heart of the city is a sight to behold, especially during the warm summer months. The garden comes alive with a myriad of spectacular summer exhibitions, each offering a unique perspective of nature's beauty. From exotic orchids to towering trees, there's a surprise waiting around every corner. Let's not forget about the beautiful landscapes. Imagine strolling through lush, manicured gardens, surrounded by a rainbow of blooming flowers. The scent of roses fills the air as butterflies dance from petal to petal. It's a feast for the senses that you simply cannot miss. What sets the New York Botanical Garden apart is the peaceful environment it provides. Amid the hustle and bustle of the city, it offers a tranquil retreat where you can unwind, relax, and reconnect with nature. A visit to the New York Botanical Garden is like stepping into a living painting. 8th on our list is the foodie paradise, Smorgasburg. If your taste buds are on a quest for adventure, this is the place to be. With over 100 vendors, Smorgasburg offers a smorgasbord of flavors from every corner of the globe. From authentic Japanese takoyaki to the classic New York-style pizza, there's a dish waiting to tantalize every palate. In the midst of the bustling crowd, you'll find a unique atmosphere that is quintessentially New York. Amidst the sizzling grills, the clinking cutlery, and the vibrant chatter, you can feel the city's dynamic energy pulsating around you. And let's not forget the views. Nestled on the Williamsburg waterfront, Smorgasburg offers a panoramic vista of Manhattan's iconic skyline. As you savor your meal, you can feast your eyes on the towering skyscrapers glistening under the summer sun. Smorgasburg is a feast for both your taste buds and your eyes. So, when in New York, make sure to give your senses a treat at this food lover's haven. For number 7, how about a summer sail on the Hudson River? Picture this. The sun is setting, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. The city's skyline is your backdrop, a breathtaking sight that never grows old. As you glide along, the iconic Statue of Liberty captures your gaze. The refreshing breeze whispers stories of the city, while the gentle waves hum along, creating a symphony of serenity. Sailing on the Hudson River gives you a new perspective on the Big Apple. For our 6th suggestion, immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Broadway. New York City in the summer is the perfect time to catch a show. Imagine hearing the live orchestra tuning up as the lights dim, the curtain rises, and you're swept away by the captivating performances on stage. Whether it's a timeless classic or an exciting new production, the magic of Broadway never fails to impress. And don't forget the lively street performances that fill the sidewalks with music, dance, and drama. Broadway in summer is a feast for the senses, a testament to New York's vibrant artistic spirit. Fifth on our list is the iconic Coney Island Boardwalk. This vibrant stretch along the Atlantic Ocean is brimming with summer delights. From the thrilling rides of Luna Park to the sun-kissed sands of Coney Island Beach, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the myriad of food options. Whether you fancy a classic Nathan's hot dog or a creative culinary treat, your taste buds are in for a joyride. Coney Island Boardwalk is where summer fun meets nostalgia. Number 4 on our list is visiting the city's famous rooftop bars. Imagine sipping a delicious cocktail, the city's dazzling skyline unfolding before your eyes. These bars are a must-visit for their stunning views that stretch to infinity and beyond. As the sun dips into the horizon, the city lights up, adding a vibrant touch to your evening. The nightlife at these rooftop bars is pulsating with energy, making every night a celebration. For a night to remember, head to one of New York's rooftop bars. Third on our list, immerse yourself in the city's flea markets. There's no better place to experience the vibrancy of New York's diverse culture and get a taste of the city's eclectic charm. Each flea market is a world of its own, filled with unique finds that you won't stumble upon anywhere else. Vintage clothes, handmade crafts, antique furniture, rare books, and so much more are waiting for you to discover. The bustling atmosphere is contagious, with the hum of bartering and the excited chatter of shoppers echoing throughout. Local vendors are the lifeblood of these markets, bringing their unique products and stories to the table. They're passionate about their craft, and this passion is reflected in the unique and high-quality items they offer. Every visit to a flea market is an adventure, and every purchase is a piece of New York's rich tapestry that you get to take home with you. Shopping at New York's flea markets is like going on a treasure hunt. Coming in at number 2, don't miss visiting New York's world-renowned museums. New York is a city that breathes history, art, and culture, and this is vividly reflected in its multitude of museums. Each one is a treasure trove, offering a unique perspective into the world's past, present, and future. From the iconic Metropolitan Museum of Art, home to over 2 million pieces of art spanning 5,000 years of history, to the Museum of Modern Art, where you can immerse yourself in the revolutionary works of Picasso, Warhol, and Van Gogh. And let's not forget about the American Museum of Natural History, where you can journey from the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of space. These museums not only house incredible exhibits, but they also provide invaluable educational experiences, making learning fun and engaging for people of all ages. A trip to New York isn't complete without visiting its museums. And finally, at number 1, we have walking the Brooklyn Bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge is not just a mere pathway, but a journey through history and a marvel of engineering. As you stroll on its wooden promenade, you can't help but feel the magic of this iconic structure. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of the relentless spirit of New York City. The stunning views it offers are simply unparalleled. On one side, the Manhattan skyline dazzles with its towering skyscrapers, while on the other, the East River flows serenely, cradling the Statue of Liberty in the distance. And as the sun sets, the city lights begin to twinkle, transforming the view into a breathtaking urban nightscape. Walking the Brooklyn Bridge is a unique experience, one that allows you to immerse yourself in the pulse of this vibrant city. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a city wanderer, this walk is an absolute must. Walking the Brooklyn Bridge is a quintessential New York experience. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in New York in summer 2024. From the vibrant performances at Central Park SummerStage, the lush New York Botanical Garden, the bustling Smorgasburg food market, to the iconic Brooklyn Bridge, the city truly comes alive in the summer. Each of these experiences capture the unique essence of New York. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring.